So this is how you go about withdrawing your ETH Linear, okay, that you deposited for Memefi airdrop. This is how you go about withdrawing it back into your Bybit, okay. You're withdrawing into Bybit, not Bitget, okay, because there is no linear network on Bitget. So you're withdrawing into Bybit, okay. There's also linear network on Binance and Gate.io, especially Binance, but I prefer Bybit. So it's no longer needed for the Memefi because Memefi is now launching on SU network. So you can withdraw your fund from your Bitget wallet if you actually imported your Memefi account into Bitget wallet that time that I made the video. So this is how you go about withdrawing it. So to do that, you go to your Bybit account and then you click on asset. Then you click on deposit. Okay, you click on deposit, you click on deposit crypto. You choose the asset you want to deposit, which is ETH. Okay, if it's not there, you click here to search. So mine is there already. Then you choose the network. You go scroll all the way down, look at it. This is linear, ETH Linear. You want to get the deposit address of ETH Linear. So you just click here to copy the deposit address and then you head over to your Bitget wallet. Okay, again, now this is my Bitget wallet. Okay, by default it's going to be like this. Okay, now you're just going to click on the wallet. You remember by default it's already on ETH Linear because it was Linear that we deposited. So you're going to see the asset you have here. Just click on the ETH and then you're going to click on send. Okay, you're going to click on send. When you click on send, you're going to see that it's like this. Okay, you can see ETH network linear. So it's going to appear as linear because it was linear that we deposited. But if it is not showing network linear, all you have to do is just click here and choose linear. Okay, just click here and choose linear. But it's already on linear, right? It's already on linear. You can see it's network linear. So you just paste that withdrawal address here, that deposit address here. You can see it. And then you click on all. The gas fee is very negligible, very small. You click on all and then you click on confirm, right? This is the gas fee, okay? Less than 0.0001, which is less than $0.0049. So you click on confirm and then you wait for it to pop up your authentication. Security check in progress, right? So you can see now, this is the breakdown of the transaction. You can see this, I'm sending from here to here. This is the gas fee. And then I'll click on confirm again. And I will authenticate, right? And then, yeah, transfer approved. So once it shows approved like this, you are okay. Okay? Oh, yeah. So you just wait for it to land. You click OK, wait for it to land. Take note that when you get to Bybit, it may be so impossible to convert your $1 worth of ETH, $2 worth of ETH back to USDT. Okay, I think the minimum you can convert is around I think $12 worth of ETH. So what you can do is that you can actually sell it to USDT via normal spot trading. Okay, that's it. And I also forgot to cover the aspect that you can swap into any token here on Bitget wallet. I forgot to cover, and I don't have any fund here now to demonstrate it. But like I said, when you get to Bybit, you can sell it to USDT via normal spot trading. I just have to let you guys know in case you want to withdraw that your ETH back to your Bybit since it's no longer needed. Thank you. So I'm just going to click on OK now and I'll wait for it. Okay. So that's it. You can see it has disappeared. It's no longer there. So I'll wait for it to appear on my Bybit. So back here on my Bybit, I have received the ETH almost immediately. So I had to transfer from my two I had to send from my two Memefi account, one around 1.6 USDT worth of ETH, and then the other one around 0.9 worth of ETH. So if I click on notification, you're going to see that these are the transactions, this and this and this. So but I have it in my, if I click on assets, I have it in funding, right? I have it in funding. So to get this back, okay, let's check now. If you want to convert this now to USDT, the whole of this, it cannot be converted. Okay, if I choose ETH, yeah, I want to convert it to USDT, and I have it on funding. The total worth of USD of ETH is 0.0014. So if I click on max now, you will see that the minimum to convert is 0.005, which is around $12 worth. Okay, so you cannot do the conversion. All you need to do is to transfer this now into your unified trading account so that you can trade it on spot trading. So you just click on a transfer, you click on transfer, and then you are transferring from funding to unified trading account. And you can see by default this is the asset that I have, which is ETH. Okay, if ETH is not here, just click here and search for ETH, but ETH is here already. So I'm just going to click on max. When I click on max, I'll then click on confirm. So that way I'll transfer it from funding to unified trading account so that I'll be able to trade it via spot trading. So I'm clicking on confirm already, and I'll wait for it to be converted. Okay, no, not converted, transferred. So you can see I have it here, right? And then I'll send it back. I'll click on trade. I'll click on trade. Okay, now by default is going to be like this. So you click on sell. You are clicking on sell, right? And then you click, you can either choose to sell via limit order or via market order. Okay, now market order will charge you more, but limit order is going to sell, though not immediately, but the charge is going to be less. But just take note that a little fee applies. So assuming I want to sell mine now, I'll just drag here this place to 100%. You can see my available balance. This is my available balance, and the whole of this, okay, will worth 3.47 USDT. So if I'm okay with it, this is limit now, not market. So I want to sell market, like I want to sell instantly. I'll just click here and then change it to market order. That way, as soon as I click on sell, it executes immediately. So that's how you go about it. But I want to use limit this time, okay, because I don't want much fee to be applied. So I will just click on sell, right? Okay, I'm here to drag the percentage, so I'll just drag to 100% and then I'll click on sell. Okay, you can see it's giving me the breakdown and all that. I'll click on sell again. Yes, order submitted, right? So I'll just have to wait for a few seconds or few minutes. You can see, had it been its market order now, it will sell instantly. But this is a limit order. Price has to get to that level for it to be executed. And I just did it because I don't want significant fee to be applied to it. Also, if it's taking so much time, you can as well decide to click on cancel. Okay, assuming you want to cancel it, you want to now use market order to sell immediately, irrespective of the fee that will be applied to it. You just click on this place and cancel the order, and then come back here and choose market order so that the trade will be executed instantly. Okay, you can see it did not even waste time, and then it has been executed already. You can see the trade has been executed already. And let's go back to asset and see what I have as USDT what. You can see there's no much difference, no much fee applied to it. It was 0.48, and this is just 3.47, almost exactly the same. So that's how you go about doing this. And from here now, you can further transfer this to funding if you want to withdraw, okay, via P2P, or you want to send um via Bybit to Bybit. Maybe those of you that want to sell to me. So that's how you go about it. It's as simple as that. So do it, since the ETH Linear is no longer needed for the Memefi.